Good evening, everyone. This is Brian Kelly reporting to you from my deck here in Garner, North Carolina. I'll tell you what, guys, it's a hot one today, like 96 degrees here, and it's cooled down quite a bit, but it's still a little humid, so it's fine. But the evening is here, the sun's kind of gone down, and things are looking good. But anyway, I wanted to do a really quick video for a friend of mine who signed up for the top secret wealth plan yesterday. Actually, he called me. We had a really good discussion. Very, very nice guy. He's a veteran, a family guy, family man. Really, really decent person. I talk to a lot of people pretty much every day. And I just, really enjoyed a good conversation. And he was a great conversationalist and everything. And he saw the vision for this program, so he decided to sign up. And so when he did that, I said, you know what? I'll do a video specifically for you. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. And I'm going to sit down. Where am I going to sit down? Oh, I'll put it right here. How about that? Okay. So as you can see here, it says how to make $140 over and over and over again. All you have to do is share this video right here. TopSecretWealthPlan.com. Okay. My friend's name is Abel. And I don't want to crucify his last name because I'm not really good. I don't want to mispronounce his name. So please, please, please forgive me, Abel. I don't want to say that here because I don't want to say it the wrong way. This is his PIN number, ASC1957. So here's the deal. This program is proven to work. Okay. I have, probably close to 300 people who have signed up for this program in about 1.5 to 2 years. And, it's actually working. It's a one level type of program, very basic. But I'll tell you, man, if you're looking for a very honest way to make some serious, consistent money, then this is definitely something that you might want to look into. All right, so let me give you kind of a gist as to what you're going to be doing. All you have to do, now you can do it through postcards, Craigslist ads, email. I mean, however you want to do it. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Maybe you can have a little bird drop a little pamphlet in someone's yard. I mean, I'm just kidding with that. But any way you want to, legally that is, you want to make sure people get this right here, TopSecretWealthPlan.com. Now, what that is, when a person goes to that URL, it takes them directly to a 19-minute video. Okay, so what the person does is they watch that video. On the video, okay, it explains in great detail what this program is all about. Now, once a person watches that video once or twice, they're going to get excited. They really are, because this is going to show them a way to make money. Now, once they do that, they're going to give me a call on my cell phone. Okay, I'll answer the phone. If I don't answer the phone, I'll always call them back. They're going to give me the PIN number. In this case here, it's ASC1957. That's my friend Abel's PIN number. Okay. Now, let's say, for instance, they receive a postcard in the mail. They'll receive that postcard with Abel's PIN number on there. So once they call me, I'll ask them, what's your PIN number? They'll tell me it's ASC1957, right? So what I'll do is I'll match ASC1957 to who it belongs to. And in this case, it belongs to my friend Abel. All right. So if they decide to join, which more than likely they will, okay, because it's a great program, then what's going to happen is they are going to send right here $140 directly to Abel. Now, you can receive the funds however you want to. I tell people all the time, if once you sign up, all you got to do is tell me, Brian, I want to receive my funds through Cash App, PayPal, secondary priority mail, Western Union. I put all that information into the database so that a person knows how they can send the funds. So it's that simple, guys. It's as simple as that. All you're doing here is you are simply advertising this website, TopSecretWealthPlan.com. And it's a video. It's not a website. It's a video on YouTube. And People watch it. People call me. I answer their questions. I'm the owner of the program, so I know more about this program than anybody. I answer their questions, and then I close the sale for you. You don't have to sell. You don't have to try to convince anyone. Nothing like that at all, because I do that for you. Then I don't tell people to send me all of the money. No, 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 absolutely not. I tell them to send the person who sent them the advertisement the money directly, so the money never touches my hands. Never ever touches my hands. I get a small cut, which is only $10. Okay, the other person who sent the advertisement receives this $140. I have people who have made tons of sale on a daily basis, you just advertising that top secret wealth plan URL, which takes to a video. As simple as that. Okay. Now, I want you guys to do me a favor. Okay, this is extremely important. This video here, this is for my friend Abel. Okay, he's just getting started. He got started like yesterday, like last night, right? And I want to get this guy off to a fantastic start. Okay, so for this video here, if you're wanting to sign up for Top Secret Wealth Plan, I want to make sure that when you call me, okay, you call me, make sure you tell me this is his ID, his PIN number, ASC1957. That's his PIN number. I want you to make sure that you give me his PIN number only. Don't put my PIN number, put his PIN number. He's a really, really nice guy. And I mean, he told me he was a veteran, so that means a lot to me, because veterans protect our country, right? So I like to honor them and respect them. Okay, so that's another thing I really like about him too. But very, very nice guy, and I want to help him out here. Okay, so again, this is something that you can definitely make some serious money on. Again, I'm not asking you to call your friends and family, twist people's arms, nothing like that. All I'm asking you to do is to simply get a postcard, place a Craigslist ad, send an email with this URL right here, topsecretwealthplan.com. Okay, that's all you have to do. And then when a person gets that, there's going to be this person's PIN number right here, ASC1957. That's my friend Abel's PIN number. Okay, then I want you to call me. I want you to give me his PIN number. Okay, his PIN number, and then boom, there you go. All right. And I'll get you started. I mean, I'm not going to say you get started next week. No, I want to get you started like 5 minutes after you call me. That's how I work. I don't mess around. If you're wanting to make money, I get your stuff to you right away. I don't play games, and because I'm here to help you make money. I have an ulterior motive, because you know what? Guess what? If you don't make money, then I don't make money. I want to make money. Okay. So I'm going to do everything I can to help you make the sale. Okay. I'm the owner of the company. I know this thing better than anyone. I'm good at what I do, and I can close the sale so you don't have to. All you have to do is simply advertise this top secret wealth plan URL, which takes a person to a 19-minute video. That person watches a 19-minute video. They get interested. They pick up the phone. They call me on my cell phone. I get their PIN number. I associate the PIN number to who it belongs to, and I close the sale for you. And that person sends the person they sent them the advertisement $140. Boom! It's as simple as that. Again, if you're interested, please go to the website right here, right now. When you get this video, go there, listen to the video, give me a call on my cell phone. It'll give you my phone number and everything. And make sure for this video here, use PIN number ASC1957. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye for now.